What's up, guys? It's Ray J back with another video. And in this one, I wanted to break down what's happening with SPY, Tesla, and the overall market. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out my Webull link. If you deposit any amount of money, you're guaranteed 12 free stocks. If you deposit $500, you're guaranteed 20 in total. And deposit $2,000 or more, and you're guaranteed 40. Anyways, let's talk about the market right now. So Tesla has a very, very nice looking cup and handle that is forming. If we get this break above this 360 area, which is tough resistance, so obviously it's not going to be that easy to break it. But if we do finally get that break, whether we get a bullish catalyst, whatever the big move is going to be caused by, we're going to be looking for a big breakout for Tesla. And we could easily run at over 10 to 20 points, and we could be looking for Tesla to hit 375 all over again or above. So there could be a breakout coming for Tesla as we're seeing buyers coming back. We're seeing some very, very good ratings from different analysts such as Wedbush. Excuse me. So that's in my opinion, a very, very good piece of news. For the main support for Tesla, we're going to be watching to see if we could hold above two levels. The first level is going to be at 355, and the second one's going to be all the way down here, very close to where this gap support is at this 350 area. So as long as we're above 350 and 355, we remain more bullish. We have that gap to fill below if we do lose those supports, but so far there's no sign of that, and Tesla's getting bought back up very nicely. So there's an imbalance here, which is starting to not only get filled, but it's starting to help Tesla push higher. And we do have the potential to retest 362 ish around that area. If we finally break that, we're going to be looking for a nice push on Tesla. And we could be looking for a new breakout, new highs to be made for the last couple of months. So I do see potential in Tesla to break out. We could be looking for 368 to 370 as our targets, eventually 375 and above. But we'll see if we get that break. For now, it has potential. For SPY, now for the first couple of hours, we're just completely flat, shuffling, shuffling, shuffling. And now we're starting to see buyers coming back, breaking the all-time high very nicely. To turn bearish, excuse me, you want to see SPY lose 600. As of right now, there's no sign of that, and we look bullish. We're looking for a push for 605 now. We look very, very bullish and we're very strong. ES has to lose 60.37 to turn back down, and there's no sign of that either. We're breaking all-time highs, and we could be on our way for 60.80. Right now, ES remains bullish. For Nvidia, we're doing a good job at holding up. As long as we hold above 138, there's potential to retest 140 and eventually push up for 142. Overall, Nvidia has some upside potential as long as 138 holds. So watch to see if that happens upon close. Bitcoin's looking more bullish. Let's see if we could break past 96,400. It is range bound right now, but it could try to break past 96,400 to turn even more bullish. As far as other tickers go, we also have NQ. NQ is doing a good job at breaking out here. We're above 21,200. If we continue to push, we're looking for a move all the way back up for 21,250. For the QQQ, we look more bullish here. If we manage to break past 515 to 516, we will continue. And if we lose 512, we turn back down. To me, we look more bullish looking at the QQQ, and we could be looking for the 516 area. So far, there's no sign of rejection. Apple's going to be retesting 240. We'll have to see if we break this or not. But overall, still, it's doing a good job. We're going to be looking for a fight at that 240 resistance. For the IWM Russell 2000, we're range bound, but we bounced off our key support at 240. So it could be an attempt to get back up to 244. For coin, we're doing a good job right now. We bounced off our support as well at 290. As long as we close above 304, we could be looking for an attempt to get back up to 320. Amazon did a good job at pushing. We're going to see if we could hold above 210. If that holds, we could continue and slowly push for 212, then 215 all over again. Meta is more bullish, breaking above 590. As long as we don't lose 590, we favor a push closer to 595. For Microsoft, we look more bullish. As long as we don't lose 430, we favor a push higher for about 433. And then Google also looks stronger to me. We could be looking for essentially 175. As long as we don't lose 172.5, it looks bullish. So the market is overall bullish. There are buyers who are returning, defending SPY, Tesla, and the others very nicely. And for now, we favor the upwards direction. I will change my mind if we lose the key supports I called out, but as of right now, there's no sign of that. And for the time being, we look bullish. Tesla's nearing the 360 resistance. If we manage to break this, there could be a big breakout coming off this cup and handle. So we'll see if we break that resistance. But overall, I just want to say we look very bullish now. Let's see if we get that breakout, and then that could favor a lot more upside for tomorrow and beyond. Thank you all so much for listening. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video in just a couple of hours, and peace out.